Hello friends, today I will discuss the plane angle. It is normally represented with an theta symbol. We know the lines like this 90 degrees lines, 30 degrees lines, 180 degrees line, 360 degrees circle like this. What is the meaning of this? How we get these angles? Any relations? So to know this, we have to know the definition of this plane angle. So plane angle is nothing but it is the angle subtended by two lines at a point is called the plane angle. Let us assume there is a circle with a radius r, and let us say there are two lines, one is OB, the other is OA. This OA is equal to OB is equal to radius of the circle. Let us say the distance between point A and point B is L, and this AB is called the arc, and the length of that is called the arc length. So coming to the definition of the angle or plane angle is nothing but it is the angle subtended by two lines at a point. So there are two lines OA, OB subtending an angle theta here. So the theta is equal to arc length divided by radius of the circle, that is r. So what are the units for this angle? The units are normally radians or degrees. Suppose this arc length L is equal to the radius r. Then we get the angle theta like this. Arc length divided by radius r means arc length we get r. So we get here in the denominator radius r. So we get this and this going to get cancelled. We'll get 1. So the unit for this is 1 radian. So that is if the arc length is equal to the radius of the circle, then the angle formed at the point O by the arc is called the plane angle theta. Suppose if this length that is arc length is varied, say this arc length is equal to r, that is 2 times the radius of the circle, then the plane angle will become arc length divided by radius r is equal to, in place of arc length we replace with 2r, then we get here 2r by r, that is r are going to get cancelled, then we get plane angle as 2 radians. Suppose this arc length, let us say, equal to the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. This is the circle, and circumference means this length, the periphery length is called the circumference of the circle. Then we know the circumference of the circle is 2 pi into r. So now we can calculate what is the plane angle. Theta is equal to arc length divided by radius r. So in place of arc length we replace with 2 pi r. Then that r, this r, that is in the denominator we have another r. So this and this going to get cancelled, and we get the plane angle is equal to 2 pi radians. So depending upon the arc length, we are going to get the different plane angles. So let us see what is the relation between this radian and degrees. So we know for a circle, arc length is 2 pi. So degrees are 360 degrees, because where we have started, this is the starting point, and going like this, coming like this and reaching the 0 position. So it is 360 degrees, and this is also equal to 2 pi radians. So that's why we write here 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees. Suppose we divide this by 2, then we have to divide this by 2 all like this. Then 2 pi by 2 is equal to pi. Then 360 by 2 is nothing but 180 degrees. That is pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Suppose we divide this pi with 2, then we have to divide this 180 by 2. So that is pi by 2 radians is equal to 90 degrees. Then what is the, how many degrees is equal to the 1 radian? So how to calculate it? So that we can write like this. Relation between radians and degrees is like this. Radians, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Just now we have seen. Now for 1 radian, how many degrees? 180 divided by pi. So when we simplify it, then we get 57.2958 degrees. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel.